If you are stressed all the time, if you want to lose weight, if you have inflammation in your body, if you have digestive problems, if you have a cold or flu, in the following, learn more about ginger and how to use it. Hi guys, I am here with a new health tips and tricks video. Welcome to my channel. Ginger is a herb whose root is used as a medicinal plant. This plant can be used dry or fresh. If you don't have any problem with its spicy taste, you can use it as a spice in cooking all kinds of foods. What are the most important ginger properties? Anti-inflammatory properties, disinfection, antioxidant, anti-nausea, anti-inflammatory of joints, increasing the immune system, improves digestion, helps to lose weight, diabetes management, stress reduction and mood improvement, migraine relief with ginger. Ginger is an effective antifungal. The effect of ginger on cancer prevention. Treatment of colds and flu with ginger. Treatment of obesity with ginger. Treatment of kidney stones with ginger. The effect of ginger on heart health. Ginger mask for facial skin. Ginger oil for hair. Ginger properties for women. For women who are pregnant or suffering from morning sickness, taking ginger can help. Also, consumption of this plant is effective in reducing nausea and vomiting associated with travel or other factors. Consuming ginger may help relieve menstrual pain and improve menstrual flow. This herb can also reduce some symptoms associated with menopause, such as hot flashes and night sweats, due to its ability to regulate hormone levels. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can be useful in reducing inflammation related to women's problems, such as urinary tract infections or genital infections. Also, this plant has relaxing properties and is effective in reducing stress and anxiety associated with women's problems. Ginger side effects. This herb is safe for most people and without any specific and worrying side effects. However, some may be allergic to this herb and experience unpleasant side effects such as skin sensitivity, digestive problems, or drug interactions. If you have an underlying disease or take certain medications, consult your doctor before consuming this plant. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, It is better to consult your doctor before taking ginger. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified about new videos. Methods of using ginger in food. Fresh ginger or dry ginger powder can prepare various soups and vegetables. Fresh ginger root is used to prepare all kinds of candies, gingerbread, biscuits, and spicy snacks. Ginger tea is among the most popular drinks, especially in Asian countries. Ginger juice syrup is also obtained by combining ginger with apple, lemon juice, and carrot. Grated ginger root is used as flavoring in all kinds of desserts. Ginger juice, which is obtained using a juicer, is used in many Asian dishes or various vegetable smoothies. If you have any questions or comments, I will be happy if you leave me a comment.